Good afternoon everyone, and today we're looking at another Rotary watch, more specifically the Rotary Windsor Moonphase watch. So before we actually get on to that, let's have a brief look at the box. So the actual box, it comes in a little sort of cardboard with that Rotary chrome finish outside layer. Just a simple little, just a little cardboard, a bit outside layer to cover that box up. So we'll get this out of here. The actual Rotary box is obviously that original English design style with that sort of that army green colour going around the side, with obviously that original British design with nice sharp corners. The box itself is only a very sort of light box. So yeah, it's a simple functional box with a nice little display function to it. I'll just show you that now. So the actual watch is displayed too, but I've obviously had a look at this beforehand, so the watch has moved about a little bit in the package, but when it was first presented, it was presented nicely to me on like this incline little plane here, as a little little show off for the actual watch itself. Let's put that to one side for a minute. So here we go, guys. This is the Rotary Windsor Moonphase watch, 6505325/1. I don't know if you managed to sort of glance at the watch I had on just now, but this is a very sort of similar style watch, except this watch here is about £110 and doesn't have a complication movement inside. So what a complication movement is lots of little individual dials for calculating different things like the leap year, the month, etc. But then this has similar dials compared to this in terms it has the month and the day and etc. like that. So it's simply a double movement inside, which is obviously for your time and for your date. And the date adjusts these other hands as well. So a little brief look at the actual face of the watch here. So the price of this watch sits around about £110. You can get this on Amazon. I think they've reduced it for a little while, so if you're quick, you might be able to pick that up at a nice little discount. Weight of the watch with the box included is about 150 grams, but in terms of the actual watch itself, it's only a very light watch. It's not very thick either, sitting at around about 8mm in thickness. It's not a big watch in terms of thickness. In terms of width, it's around about 40mm in width, offering a 20mm leather band as well. But having a brief look at the face here, so you've obviously got your day of the week, so we're on a Monday today, and you've also got the date function in the centre here. You've also got the month. You've also got a moon face function here. Just a little correction on what I was saying earlier. You've got sort of three functions. So you've got the date and all these three little chronograph functions. The top three are adjusted by the date function, and then you've got an adjustment for the moon phase bit on here, which is like a little pen insert here. You click it in with a pen and that will adjust the moon phase for you. But looking at the actual hands themselves, you might notice that the hands are actually blue. So the hands are like a reflective blue colour, very similar in style to this one, which is the Accurist ground complication, if anyone's wondering. I've done a video of that, please check that out on my channel. So you've got non-luminous blue hands, so you don't have no luminescence to them at all, and going around the actual increments of the face, you've got no luminosity to those at all. It's just plain Roman numerals going around the side of that. You've got a flat mineral glass to offer it with a 50 metre water resistance, operating on a quartz movement with a moon phase. Look at the bezel itself. You've got a 45-degree indented chrome stainless steel finish on top of a chrome stainless steel casing. It almost looks the same thickness as the casing in terms of why this watch looks so thin. So inside the actual watch, you've got no sort of like increments going around the inside of the face, at the side of the face, just a plain mirror finish inside there. The actual dial is like a circular sort of grained finish, so it's like a circular line finish in the middle there, similar to an Accurist ground complication of a different model. And obviously you've got your British design at the bottom here. So a very nice little elegant watch if you want to offer that sort of complication movement look without without paying in the odds of thousands for it. So, looking around the case, obviously, as you said, we've got a full stainless steel mirror finish with a full stainless steel mirror finish crown. And the back plate, very, very similar style. You've got a mirror finish, I haven't taken that off. Mirror finish with that nice rotary back plate there. Known for having a two-step sort of back plate to their watches. And going all the way around here, you've got a full stainless steel mirror finish going all the way around. Going out to the actual straps, you've got little legs to hold these this leather strap in. So this leather strap is connected by double-ended popper pins, as I like to call them, connected to a genuine leather single window leather strap that offers a black sort of old-fashioned like messenger bag sort of style to it, with two extremely jet black this bracelet, jet black strap and jet black windows for it, with a full chrome mirror finish rotary clasp to hold it in. Extremely smooth, polished finish look to it. So there we go, guys. That is the Rotary Windsor Moonphase watch. I will just show you the movement of the actual hands themselves from the crown movement. So second click, you've obviously got the time. Very, very delicate movement system to it, and obviously that's going to change your day function. Then you have to turn the time to actually change the day, and turn that more to change the months. So yeah, you can change it like that, but there's no complication movement to this. It's just simply turn it like that, and obviously your moon phase is incorrect. So it should be? It should be a crescent moon today. So you've got that will just be changed by a little little pen insert button there to adjust that. Anyway, guys, that is the Rotary Windsor Moonphase watch.